This is sort of an issue, I guess. Where's my chat? Just fumbling around in OBS at the moment. Hopefully we'll sort this out in a sec. Don't understand. Things just keep disappearing somehow. Oh, there we go. Okay. Jesus. All right, so this is registering as none. Let's just see. I think it's because of my, yeah. Let's see if AI can one-shot this. When I toggle to ignore third-party, what is this called? Classes. Shouldn't get validation error. It's reading elements as a violation because you no longer have class on them. Yeah, sure. Just do your thing there. So basically, if we are ignoring third-party scripts, this shouldn't be a violation. Like, that should just disappear. So we got next and previous. I think what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to bookmark this for a feature where you can like specify custom classes or like custom element names. I don't know if I want to like build that in because this list technically comes from Lumos or, you know, from the preset. So let's not overthink that for now. Kind of just have to be okay with it. All right. So I was just working on this recent news here. Looks like we're all good. Everything's passing. Just gonna go down here. The one challenge with this is that Webflow's designer extension unfortunately doesn't allow us to or like it would just take too much time to enter and exit each component and run our rules on it. So I had to kind of just make the decision to do it manually, because if we run pagelint, it's just basically looking at these top level elements. It's not going in. Actually, if I'm in structure mode, yeah, it doesn't like automatically bring me in. That's all right. Okay, so we got sponsors header uses unrecognized element header. I feel like that should technically be a recognized element. So what's up? Let's see. Let's look at the official Lumos. Clonable. Who's got a header? Well, it's heading. Maybe we'll let heading be a recognized name. Oh, sponsors wrap. Well, okay, so I'm in sponsors section. Here's the header. It technically is a header. Why do I even have this? Oh, because I got all these other styles. Bottom 8, gap 1. Maybe we'll do heading. Is heading a thing? Yeah. Alright. So far the app is working as intended, which is pretty sweet. This gradient, let's get out of structure. I should enable keyboard shortcuts, that'd be sick. Let's get out of there. So that's all good. Just publish, make sure I'm not breaking anything. I did some stuff here, but I don't know. Oh wait. Nav component. Oh, I know where. Inside of... Let me just see. Oh, sorry. This is getting wild. Alright, it doesn't look like it broke anything, but let's go to my sliders. That's still pulsing, so that's fine. Thought that broke. Gotta get used to this new UI I got going on over here. Alright, so we got recent news, the logo strip. Let's run a lint on this guy. Looks like we're all good. So that's passing. Slider events is definitely gonna have some issues, I feel like. Yep. What's this one? Could not extract component key from root. Dot. What does that mean? Oh, it's because it's...
It's a bird, it's a plane. The smile is me though. I ain't scared of nothing, really
So,
didn't come from nothing.
1 second.
Boys think they the same, but
Alright.
all them niggas fronting. Why they mouth keep running, I've been up to something. Let me rap real quick. Look, washing that dirt off, they spit, I turn
So,
off. Same
what are we listening to right now?
woke up out my sleep.
Oh my god. Nice and calm for a Monday. So let's do section sponsors. Uh-oh. Why is it 2? Whatever. Alright, let's check this one. All good. Things are good. These are Lumo's pre-made classes. Here we go. So this has been an issue for some reason. Oh, amazing. That's not good. So our overlay wrap has this black as a thing, so we may want to so I'm really trying to enforce this variable rule here. Default swatch. We do have dark 900, but let's try this black. And then I don't know if we want to be like so semantic with it. Wait, I think I have a meeting right now. Damn. But let's just see this work in action. Nice. Got rid of that issue. So really the idea here is like spotting issues with the code or like with your setup, so that should we decide to change that overlay background color, we wouldn't have to dig through anywhere basically. So all right. Unfortunately, I do have a meeting right now, so I'm gonna have to hop off and hop back on later. So just like that, we've sort of gone through the entire page and everything sort of works, which is pretty sweet. So I've made some changes. One thing I do want to show before I hop off is this, which is pretty dope. So I had AI build me a terminal UI, so I could just do pnpm build, and then it tells me production or development. I want to do production, and then I have user testers basically, and then that's it, and then it builds my app, which is kind of sweet. I wanted to walk through this in more detail, but I gotta hop off. Try and hop back on later. There you go, we got a new build for our app just like that.